of my life. Out of my life. Keep running. I have a place we can dance away, dance to sunrise above, but not too fast and not too rough, but growing gently in the name of love. There will be moving, dancing, moving, sing, cruising, rendezvous. There will be touching, teasing, I know a stream and a dream for us, flowing from the fruits of love, but not too fast, not too rough.